Did you know that juice fasting can actually change your life? But before I start, I want to ask you these questions. Have you felt lethargic and with no energy? Have you considered that juice fasting can actually heal your body? If you answered yes to any of these questions, this video is for you. A juice fast bathes your cells in a flood of nutrition while helping you lose and drop unwanted weight and elevating you to optimal health. This powerful rejuvenation method is the ideal way to reset your health on every level. Juice fasting revamps your digestive, circulatory, lymph, and endocrine systems so they all work in perfect harmony at the same time. It also allows your body to rest and heal, which is so important. As your weight gets closer to your personal ideal, you'll discover a new luster to your hair, skin, and nails. Your eyes will become brighter, your breath will smell fresher, even first thing in the morning, believe it or not. This type of fasting also alleviates depression and fatigue. It makes you feel light, and you will gain a boundless amount of energy. It truly is magical. Juice fasting works so well for healing an illness and supporting wellness because it releases your body from the burden of constant digestion and gives your organs a chance to flush out all those accumulated toxins. So juice fasting will probably take you maybe 30 minutes to prep. It's essential to heal your body. It is so good for your body, mind, and soul because it's a very spiritual way of healing your body. I absolutely recommend juice fasting every quarter, at least 72 hours. You can break it down 2 days and then 2 days, or you could just do all 72 hours per quarter just to flush your toxins out of your body and reset your cells. I have a ton of information on my website. Feel free to visit my website at www.livelikeyogi.com. I hope you enjoyed this content and information about juice fasting. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Would love to have you part of my community.